So this is going to be the before.
Oh.
A little rough. Doesn't sound horrible for a stock exhaust.
No,
Doesn't sound bad.
All right.
Doesn't sound stock for a stock exhaust.
Straight pipe, no muffler. Here we go.
Mike will have his done here. I'll be taking his off next.
I'm gonna get out of the firing zone. Oh my god! Jeez.
Christ.
Holy fuck.
That sounds fun.
That's literally just like a tiny squeeze of the throttle. Jesus. Well, yeah, might as well start taking mine apart.
Get it off of there.
Mine don't run right anyway. Might as well just, you know what I mean?
Sounds really good.
That was pretty solid. Here we go, Jude's first try with the exhaust. He's taking the trash to the dumpster. He's gonna wake up the whole neighborhood. It's like
1 a.m.
It's literally 1:12 in the morning. Trunk's open. It's ridiculously loud.